Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to my channel. This is Mamun. I am a content creator. Today I'm going to make a video about advanced structure that is called in full swing. That means purodome. Okay, so which is called that is called idiomatic phrase. Idiomatic phrase. So let's then have a look how many sentences we can create. In the beginning, we can say I am making this video in full swing. I am making this video in full swing, or you can say it is raining outside in full swing. It is raining outside in full swing, or you can say the match is going on. The match is going on in full swing between India and Pakistan. Okay, or you can say after holidays, the office works is going on in full swing. Okay, or you can say that market was going on in full swing before Eid. The market was going on in full swing before Eid. After that, you can say the winding preparations are going on in full swing. So I hope you are getting my point, what I'm trying to say. So till then, take care, keep practicing, have fun, and assalamu alaikum.